Testing.
Testing.
Today I walked my dog. That's kind of far.
Can I speak in Spanish? No.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you probably just saw, my car is covered in dust and bird poop. So today with Franco here, we're gonna try the Chemical Guys Waterless Wash and Wax. And we're gonna see how it goes and how dirty of a car it can be used on. Yeah, it's working really well. So far we've just done the roof and I cleaned the glass a little bit. Yeah, it comes out really nice after the second swipe. Hey Franco, what do you think of 240SXs?
For little boys.
Yeah, so driving here today, the drive shaft feels so nice. I don't know, like when you shift, it just feels so easy and then it revs out. Like,
Yeah,
it just feels less strained.
It's cool.
I'm not sure how much lighter it is, but definitely something cool.
Okay, sir, your car is ready. Ready to go.
Looks pretty good. Car was really dirty when we started, but definitely a lot better now. I don't know how I feel about the waterless wash though. I don't know which way would be faster. Maybe if the car was already cleaner to start out with, because my car was disgusting. So much dust, bird crap everywhere. But yeah, that waterless wash and wax does look pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's also super convenient and easy, so I might try out a couple different brands. But yeah, I think if you park indoors and you want to just do a quick touch up on your car, that stuff would be really good. I don't know, me, I park outside every day. For now I might stick with regular car washes until I have somewhere indoors to park this. Yeah, there's still a little bit of dust. We did a quick job, didn't really spend crazy amount of time on everything. Yeah, especially on the hood, it's still kind of dusty. But yeah, probably could clean it up with another wipe or two. Do you like using the waterless wash or a regular car wash better?
Actually, every day I like more waterless. I'm a very eco-friendly person. I don't like to waste water just washing the car. If you make the math, every year we spend thousands of gallons just because we need to keep the car clean. So waterless is more than wash your cars. I feel that it's a responsibility for every owner to say take care of the planet.
That's a good point. No, I hear you. That's a good point. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Toretto, your car is ready. You can go and keep filming your movies.
Yeah, we should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys like this video, want to see more of what we do, what we will be doing, future plans for the car, trips, adventures, whatever happens around LA, be sure to subscribe to both of our channels, like the video, leave a comment. Give us any suggestions, you know, we're always looking to hear feedback or whatever you guys think we could do to improve our videos. So thanks for watching.